Okay, everyone wants more reach on LinkedIn, but most people ignore the easiest growth lever on the platform, which is commenting. I'm not talking about spammy comments or not, oh, great posts or these kind of things. I really mean real comments, the kind that make people remember you. And here is how to do the things the right way in 6 points. So first of all, be genuine. If a post doesn't resonate, just keep scrolling. But if it does, let your reaction show. When something hits you, say it with intent, because all in all, enthusiasm is contagious. Second, add something. A comment should move the conversation forward. If you agree, just explain why. If you disagree, do it respectfully. If you got a similar experience, just share it. Even a good question adds value. So remember that. Third, use humor only if it's your style. Some of the best commenters there are really funny, but forced humor can be painful. So if it's your style, go for it, but really don't fake it. Fourth, let your relationship show. If you actually know the person, write like you do. You don't need to announce your friendship. Your tone will say it for you. And that builds trust for both of you. Fifth, be a little vulnerable. If something hits home, share a piece of your story. That's how you go from just another comment to a real connection. And last one, comment to belong, not to perform. The best people on LinkedIn, they aren't counting likes on their comments. They're here to contribute, and people can feel that. So if you do all that, you don't just show up on LinkedIn. You become part of the community. And that's where the real growth happens.